Failure is the condiment that gives success its flavor. Only the wisest and stupidest of men never change. The consequences of today are determined by the actions of the past. To change your future, alter your decisions today. Explore the spirituality of your soul. Mental ill health is delusion. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Only wise men look for new wisdom. Let the gladness of your soul blossom. All of the books, the readings, the workshops, the aha moments won't change your life unless you put actions behind them. Walk, act, and speak in confidence. You were born with the ability to change someone's life. Don't ever waste it. Fools put trust in promises, the wise in action. How will I ever get out of this labyrinth? To a margin note written in her loop, heavy cursive, straight and fast. Never allow evil to conquer you, but overcome evil with good deeds. Change is the end result of all true learning. If you want an abscess to cure you, must press it hard. Sanity calms, but madness is more interesting. What you did tonight was clever, wit said. You turned an attack into a promise. The wisest of men know that to render an insult powerless, you often need only to embrace it. Nothing great was ever achieved without 100% dedication, discipline, and determination. Even the master, in one way or another, is a student throughout life. Dieting is the only game where you win when you lose. Do all the work you can in your youthful days while you have the greatest strength. I am no longer surprised by situation. I'm not any kind of girl. I don't need man, but I don't hate romance. I think I'm kinda obsessed with romance, really, which is probably why I'm still single. Don't change the way you are just to make somebody happy. If you pray with your knees bow, you surrender to God. Learn to light a candle in the darkest moments of someone's life. Be the light that helps others see. It is what gives life its deepest significance. Learning isn't acquiring knowledge so much as it is trimming information that has already been acquired. Follow the path that leads to understanding. Only then will you illuminate the way for others. Once you open your mind and gain knowledge, truth, you'll leave the darkness and enter into the light of wisdom. A wind that blows aimlessly is no good to anyone. The master of the garden is the one who waters it, trims the branches, plants the seeds, and pulls the weeds. If you merely stroll through the garden, you are but an acolyte. Existence is a continuous dance between the birthing of one moment and the passing of another. No moment of living could ever arrive without another moment dying. To the past, when we haggle with change, we lose our ability to live and die in grace. You can use the stumbling blocks to build your success. The wise man reveals more than words spoken. Life is hope. Hope is faith. Faith is belief. Belief is possibilities. Possibility is miraculous. Miraculous is divine. Divine is supernatural. Supernatural is spiritual.